So, still I'm back. Sophistic Mystic channel. Today, smudging list for every week of the day. We say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Medita Sultan al-Awliya, Medita Sultan al-Anbiya, Medita Muhammad Mustafa. Dastur. Smudging, yeah, when maybe some people saw my last video on smudging, it's like to smudge it the house full, like really dense, like really foggy. And I recommend to do this like once a month or something, and in between smudge like a little bit here and there, you know. Of course we know those many things against negative impacts, energies. It's basically haramala, it's the Syrian rue, and I need a translator. Syrian rue is very good against the negativity in our houses. What else we have? Coriander in German. It is cilantro. Coriander, oh yeah, it's the same in English, yeah. So this one is also very good against negativity. And as everyone knows, this white sage and so on. There are many things for negative energy. Then I have a little receipt for you from our Dergah, our ashram, or how you call it, convent, Sufi convent in Cyprus. I found it. There were many things inside, but there are at least 3 I could recognize. So I think there were 2 or 3 more things. I think it was also sage and so on, but those were the important things. It's like some kind of frankincense or some other resin you can put. This is the holder of this mixture. Then second you put the Syrian rue, the haramala, and then you put the third one. Let's see if you can see this. Arbus precatorius. Yeah. When I smudged this the first time, friend said, "What are you smudging these?" I have to look this up. Marienkäfer. Marienkäfer. Lady beetle. Because they look like lady beetles. Can I focus? Yeah. It's like little beans. No. You can smudge them. So these 3 things are inside arbus precatorius, in German paternoster erbse. Let's see if I can translate it into English. Paternoster erbse. Wikipedia. Yeah, and you have to be careful because it's poisonous. So rosary pea, yeah. written like this. Can you see this? Huh. So, okay, I have to improve this. Rosary P. Also this is a very special one, I think, because it contains a potent substance, basically. I don't want to mention here. Really a chemical substance, which is strong. And in the Hindu tradition, or the yogic tradition, they use it also. They use it as a rosary, of course. You can also use it, actually, yeah. Actually, I will do another one from those, I think, yeah. It's a good idea. I like it. It's small and very nice and fine. You can use it as a rosary and also put it around your neck and stuff like this. I love them, yeah. So, I mean, those, when you smudge them, they are not so sweet smelling. It's like the haramala also. Usually all the things which are like against negativities, they will be not so strong sweet smelling. And the last thing about this arbus precatorius is yoga tradition. I forgot which goddess they are like, or god. They are for or from, whatever, which manifestations they are. But in Sufism they are called the Ain al-Ifrit, which is the eyes of the Ifrit, the giant jinns, no? So, I mean, they are very small, they look a little bit like eyes, you can imagine. And yeah, this is from the Sufi tradition. It's called like this. So if you mix those three together, very potent, very, very good for removing negative energies. And also this arbus precatorius seed B is also for things like for love and so on, for acceptance, yeah. So this is for today. Again, a long talk. Next video will be about a smudging list from the Shamsul Ma'arif. Actually, I wanted to do it now, but yeah, whatever. So today was about the thing from our Dergah in Cyprus. And see you next time. Subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Give a thumbs up. And salams. Yeah, comment below and so on. Salam.